Hey, good morning. Which way are you, mob? Here today we've travelled out of Mackay, which is pretty cool, and we've gone camping down near Agnes Waters, Yandaran, I think it's called. We've got our beautiful setup here in the back. We're going fishing today, aren't we?
Yeah, on the boat.
On the boat with Jamie.
Third time.
It's going to be his third time on the boat, which is going to be really cool. But this morning we're up early checking out this beautiful property. Hey, nice property, eh?
Yeah.
Look at that full background. That is absolutely stunning. That's beautiful. We've just been knocking back a few beverages here, overlooking that, and the beautiful stars come across at night time. It's a scene. All right, any eggs? Oh, she's still laying. Look, she's still laying, so. Oh, well, let's have a quick look at the veggie patch just beside it. There is a ton of veggies in here. There we got your chilies. Don't know what that is. Down here, look at those big things. What?
What's it called?
Mint?
Mint.
Yeah, they're deadly. Nice little veggie patch in there. Sweet potato on the other side. Brushing your teeth, eh? Yeah, we're just taking you for a quick little tour around the property here before we head off fishing, but because this is where we've pulled up camp for the week. Look at the sun coming up through the trees. Yeah. Isn't that a stunning view? How good is this?
Alright, so I threw my pot in the pond. I just want to catch some yabbies for the fire. I'm just excited.
Yes, let's go.
No. Oh, the bait's gone. There's something in here. There must be a fish or a frog.
Fish, turtles, I don't know. Guys, there's so much here on this property. There's fruit trees, there's a swimming pool, there's a tennis court, there's everything. There's loads of fun for the kids. And we've just been camping out here for the week. It's gonna be a beautiful stay, and it has been already. But today we're looking forward. It's just the boys going fishing and setting some pots. So see what we can come up with, eh? Here we go, guys. We're at the Yandaran boat ramp. We're about to have a day out in the boat.
Let's go.
Captain Jamie behind the wheel. We got the boys here. Got the pots, got some fishing rods. We're all good. Let's get her in the water.
Hang on.
Hang on, we're off.
How deep this probably will be, Dad?
Sorry?
2 meters.
Oh, he'll tell you there.
2 meters.
2.6. See that?
Yeah.
That's the bottom.
Yeah, that'll do.
He's scared.
Put it on top like that.
That's a
And
good
then
idea.
Just throw it.
Oh, stop. Alright.
Yeah. And it saves you mucking around.
Do I chuck it now?
Yep. Anywhere you want.
That's it.
Like an expert.
That is perfect.
Hey, get out my spot, bro.
Are you having a dig?
Okay. Do I throw it?
Just how Asen did. See how everything's on top? That's the easiest way.
I think I throw it.
Right there, Jamie will tell you where.
When you're ready, muscles.
Oh.
Bloody experts.
Yeah, that's okay.
Look at that.
That's
Like
perfect.
bloody expert.
Yeah, is that a bigger one? Hey, little boom there, Gus. Look at that. Come on, fellas, you've got to get one now.
Winding against the drag.
Lift it up. You got it. You got him.
Beautiful.
You
Bring it
got
in.
him.
Stop whining.
Yeah, yeah, bring him over here. You got one off the boat.
Yes, sir. Right.
Now you got to take it off.
Hey? I don't know how to do that.
Well done, mate.
Good work.
Test it. Feel your accelerator.
Do I press this?
It's in neutral, so it won't go anywhere. See? Okay.
Alright, so do I just push it, like turn it?
Well, slowly, not motorbike wise. Get a feel for it.
Where you going, lad?
To the bottom load.
Yeah.
How do I turn?
Next stop, quick.
This way.
Yeah.
The faster button.
Well, just learn it.
Doing well.
Oh, good on brave.
Go anywhere you want.
Can I have a turn? Careful.
Aison's
Ray.
on a turn now.
Careful.
Slow, steady.
No!
He wants to gun it. Look at him on the handle. Ah, not too fast. We all need to buckle up now. Aison done really well. Rain's just trying to go flat out, as you probably already guessed. Got some firewood there. Grabbing some, we cook up the couple of little crabs you got there. Just have a little bit of a little snack by the water while we're out in the river. Yeah, fuck me, dear too.
One, two.
Two little snacks. Good to go.
I'll go either side, mate. Yeah.
Yep. We'll get him up there.
Rimbo!
Rimbo!
Right, I'm not good enough.
It may be just Aison's day, brother. Yeah, bring him through.
Well, the newspaper will say it's not raining fish.
It's hey, it's not raining fish today.
We'll have two more.
We still got 8 pots to check, but there's 2 up the top that we didn't check.
Are we checking it?
Yeah.
I go last.
Look,
I'll get you.
a plate.
Yeah, at least I got a bunch.
Oh, you beauty, look at that. I think it will.
I'm less hungry, eh? My mouth is getting watery.
Yeah? Wow, you're looking at a good feed.
Yeah.
Keep something up.
Hey?
Yep. It's all yours.
Oh. Look at that.
I'm having the arm.
You're missing out, Aiden.
He does waxing food.
Cool.
Yeah. Very good stuff. You want to have a taste, but I'll bring you some fish.
Dad,
Cool.
can you break that big feet off?
Which one? This one? Back one? We got this one. Look at that, brother. Oh, she's been hot. Look at that. That's cooked perfectly. She's popping out. Ace, you want some fish then? I'll bring you some.
You're lucky.
Little bit of brim there.
Dad,
Good? You sizzle?
You'll love that smoky flavour, eh?
Oh,
Dad.
can't get any better. Good? Good boy.
Your fish, mate. Well done.
Mm-hmm. Right.
He's a full little boy.
See, Jamie, look. He takes all the juices.
Yes. Ah, perfect.
Good?
Oh, yeah.
Nothing better, eh?
Dad. Oh, do you want that?
No, that's all yours, mate.
Here you go, we had a day out in Yandaran in the Kolan River. We got ourselves a little bit of a feed there today. But all the tourists would have came in just like us and cleaned her out, but that means they would have all had a good fishing trip themselves, but we got enough for a taste. Let's go back to the property. Yeah, soon.
Oh! No, Dad, push me first.
It's getting our family outdoors, getting them involved, loving the outdoor activities, the phone and iPads down, just doing what they can outdoors. They collected some eggs this morning. As you've seen earlier in the quick little run around this place, it is absolutely beautiful. I've said it many times, and it's a place that I probably will return to often. It's so beautiful to see the kids out playing, having fun, learning to drive the boat. And we've got Captain Jamie over here. Captain Jamie with a couple of things.
With my new Yeti.
Oh, cheers to that.
I've never owned a Yeti before.
The ice stays cold the whole time.
Okay.
It is so cool, and it keeps the flies out as well.
Beauty.
Beautiful. Cheers to that.
Cheers,
Thanks
mate.
for having us, eh? And thanks for taking us out
Thanks
today.
for visiting us.
It was beautiful. I swear, it's been a
That
beautiful
was great
day.
today.
It was.
Please.
Well, you go and put it where you think the fly's going to go. What are you doing?
Guys, we're gonna play some football, but like, if it gets too dark, just.
Oh, bloody hell.
Oh no. Oh. See this flyer? Okay, we're gonna go now.
You're going to get his...
It's facing the other end.
Yeah. Dad, record us.
Try! We got that on camera too. That's insane. No bites? Nothing? Oh, what?
But it was still there.
Yeah.
I reckon it was small. It was just tap, tap, tap.
Happened.
Then I pull it in a bit and then tap, tap, tap again.
Thought like whiting or something, you reckon?
Yeah, whiting or flatty.
Oh, yeah.
Just down there. And that's where I caught my biggest flatty.
Oh, was it there? I was wondering if this
Off
was
the
the camp I
bank.
could see. Off the bank, just there,
Yeah,
like.
before we had the boat while we were camping there.
Oh, yeah.